Hi, this is Durga Kanthola. My first introduction to textile was through my grandfather, wearing a tight pajama, loose kurta, and a cap all woven by himself, and as a child I would often wonder how. The Raj overseas at Panipat let in the artist to explore the possibilities to recreate a work of art. Watching raw cotton go through its various mode of transformation into colorful yarn and onto the process of kilim, pit loom and through various process to a finished product, but I built layer upon layer just the way I do in my paintings. Portrait tells stories, and Babar, Akbar and Sadashiv Rao Bhau of Three Battle of Panipat was transformed in the form of scroll and tapestry. This was indeed a challenge since in painting I had the command over brushes, but here I had to be dependent on the expert weavers, and hence a rapport had to be first formed. And thus final result to create the portrait was mind-blowing experience to me, and contemporary pop art and Kish in complete celebration of Indian Desi mix, a garish style was finally achieved. All through the process I realized what an expert these highly skilled weavers are, sitting for hours weaving and each one listening to loud music of their region to help them focused, just like the way I do in my studio. Unlike farmers who plow the field and provide food, the weavers provide clothes to protect us from climatic changes, and our home also gets a finishing touch only when the beautifully woven upholstery, block print bedsheet, and an intricately woven carpet on the floor lights up the whole room. With industrial development, technology introduced machinery which resulted in highly skilled weavers out of jobs. But coming to Panipat, I feel everyone here has a job with whatever skill they possess. Every summer, we promote in the social media to our friends to buy earthen pots for cool water, earthen diyas to lit their home during Diwali. Now I would add on, save a skilled weaver to run his home and educate his children, because skill and education is like a cherry on a cake.